Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to introduce to you one very unique dish. Trust me, extremely difficult to find this dish outside because this dish 50% is invented by me. Actually, I will explain later. Basically, it is actually a dish where we use some meat, deep fry it together with some garlic and also, you know what is this? Garlic peels. The skin of the garlic, don't throw it away. It can turn out very crispy and also fragrant also, yeah, when you deep fry it, yeah. So the dish, when I tried this dish, I tried at a restaurant near Puchong, and I recently heard they no longer sell this dish, but they use pork belly, yeah, they use pork belly. Today, just now, when I opened my fridge, I have some leftover chicken. So I actually cut the chicken into smaller bits. Yeah, this is probably only about, I would say, 400 grams of chicken here. And I cut them into small bite sizes like this. Yeah. And of course, we have some, since we peel off the garlic, so we have some garlic here. So I'm going to deep fry the garlic as well. I cut it into small chunks. And of course, we have the garlic peel. This dish is actually very easy. First of all, we will actually marinate the garlic together with the chicken or the pork belly and also the garlic peel. We marinate everything together. After marinate, just go and deep fry. That's it. Now I can remember the main flavor is actually oyster sauce. So give it some nice amount of oyster sauce here, probably about slightly more than 1 tablespoon. We give it a little bit of light soy sauce. Some of my cooking, this is my my favorite Vietnamese fish sauce. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. They also use chicken powder, just that, you know lah, their chicken powder is not like 100% nature like mine. I'm very proud of it, seriously. Few dashes of white pepper, 1 egg yolk, and some cornstarch. Next thing, just mix everything nicely together. Try not to cut your garlic into too small pieces, if not it can get burnt quite easily also later. Cut it into big chunks. Right. So we can just leave this aside for a couple of minutes while we prepare the oil. So you get ready a wok or a deeper pan. I'm using a deeper pan today. Let's give it some oil. I'm using a palm cooking oil, yeah? Or you can use any vegetable oil. Don't know what happened to my neighbor. And let's heat it up to at least 150 degrees Celsius and above. By the way, there's one trick you can use to make your deep frying process easier. Add a little bit of oil inside, so that it doesn't really stick inside the hot oil later, yeah? You can reduce lah, definitely. Right, so you just put a chopstick inside the oil and you start seeing some bubble. Yeah. Ooh, the bubble's still a bit slow. Wait for a while. Right, so once you have at least 150 degrees Celsius and above, we can actually put in the chicken. See, because we added some oil just now into the marinade, so it actually gets to spread out very easily. It doesn't stick, yeah? So there are certain things which can get burnt or get cooked faster. Things like maybe the crispy garlic peels, yeah? I may take out them a bit earlier later. So of course, to make the dish, to be able to eat the garlic peels better, you do want to try your best to keep the shape, yeah? Don't make your garlic peel become too small. If it's too small, a bit difficult also. Ooh, it's quite hot. You see there's a lot of bubbles. This is a sign telling you that it is actually trying to cook the chicken or the liquid water content releasing from the ingredient here, especially for coming out from the chicken. So as it becomes more and more cooked later, the bubbles will become lesser and lesser. That is one symbol telling you it's actually cooked. And as to how much or to what extent you want to deep fry this, seriously really depends on you. You can deep fry everything until it is crispy, then only you take it out. Or you can just deep fry until it is cooked. But I would recommend for the peels, do make it a bit more crispy lah, the skin, yeah, garlic skin. Make it a bit crispy, then it will be nicer. and I'm actually very surprised when I tried this dish that day. The garlic peel actually tastes better than the pork belly itself. And you want to cut your chicken smaller, yeah? I try to put all the garlic peels at the same place so that it's easier for me to take it out. So we are going to use medium high heat to deep fry this for probably about, I don't know, 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your meat here, yeah? And if you're referring to the garlic peel, don't worry. This is not garlic peel, sorry. The garlic itself, it will not get burnt too easily one, as long as it's a big chunks, yeah? Wow, you look at my garlic peels. Look at this. And the idea here is you are actually going to flavor the oil with all this garlic. So this actually eventually becoming garlic oil as well. To flavor your dish, your chicken here. Really nice. Right, this is after about 2-3 minutes. You can start to see the garlic become browny, partly because of the light soy sauce I put in. I can actually take out the garlic peel already, put it on an oil absorbing paper at the side. So these are the garlic peel resting on the oil absorbing paper or kitchen towel. This could be due to the egg inside. So you have all this bubble here, even though this is after about 4 minutes plus. I think it is good enough. See, I'm going to take it out. All the caramelized color that you are looking here is actually coming from the light soy sauce and together with the oyster sauce. Alright, so here's my very simple, but trust me, your kids will love this as well. And garlic, everything here will taste really good. Very simple. I actually fry only for like 5 minutes. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Abba Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Abba YouTube channel. So what is this called? Garlic peel fried chicken. Bye-bye.